What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making sugar-free oatmeal raisin cookies. So first you want to add 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter, that is 1 stick, to a bowl along with 3/4 cup of granulated sweetener. I'm using monk fruit sweetener, that's my favorite. And you're going to cream those together until smooth, and then add in 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/8 teaspoon, which is just a little squeeze of lemon juice, and blend that together. Then you're going to add in 1.5 cups of rolled oats, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 cup of flour. Then you're going to blend all of that together. Then you're going to fold in 1/2 cup of raisins. Then you're going to form your balls. I usually like to make mine 1.5 tablespoons each to get nice big cookies. You can also use a cookie scoop, and then bake those in a 350-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes. And there you have it. Oatmeal raisin cookies that are soft and chewy.